So can I start?
Sure. Yes, yes.
Okay, now I'm going to start. Now this is what we're going to do today. Oh, sorry, not this one. This one. Oh, sorry, not this one. This one. Wait, okay, let me just stop video so I can have a full. Okay, now let me. Can you see my screen?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, yes. So this is what we're going to talk about today. Bu Eva assigned me to give you this topic. Then after this, we're going to start writing report text, but not after you finish writing biography. So before that, we're going to this. To choose reliable reference and develop reference list. Now, before I continue, anybody know the meaning of reliable?
Trusted, Miss.
Terpercaya.
Yes, trustworthy, not believable, but it's, yeah, trustworthy. So that's reliable, can be trusted. So we're going to learn two parts to choose reliable reference and develop a reference list. Now in our menu, we're going to have to choose reliable reference and develop references, but not any reference. It's going to be an online reference. So it's reliable online reference. So I hope after this, you're going to choose a good online writing. Now this is why we need to choose reliable reference. Why we need to choose a reference that is trusted, that can be trusted. It's because we have to say no to hoax. Because spreading false information is as guilty as creating one. So if you spread false information, untruthful information, it is as guilty as creating one. It is by law. By law, you spread it, you are as guilty as creating it. So that's why we say no to hoax. That's why we need to find a reliable reference. After that, reputation is everything. Do you know the meaning of reputation? Do you know the meaning of reputation?
Reputasi.
Yes, as simple as that, correct. So why I said this, you are now in high school. You start, because you're still 10th graders, you start building your reputation since now, actually. Imagine if, imagine 10 years, no, 10 years will be too short, 15 years. 15 years from now, you will be around 30 something years old. 30 years from now, you meet somebody from your high school, and that person trying to borrow money. Before you decide that, oh yeah, I'm going to lend him some money, you got to try to remember his or her reputation since even high school. Should I trust this person or not? Based on my relationship with her or with him when we were in high school, he was like, or she was like, I don't think I can trust him or her. See, reputation is everything, because people are not as forgiving as Allah. Oh, that's something true. That's true. Well, if you make mistake, all you need to do is astaghfirullahaladzim. And again, Allah will forget that, but not people. One time you try to spread false information. False information is called hoax, or actually it's just fitnah. People will always remember you as, oh, I'm not going to trust that person because one day he tried to lead me into falsehood or he spread false information. Believe me, honey, even we have teachers have that list. I mean, like, if there is this, what is it? There is this circulated news coming from this person. Everybody start thinking, don't believe her, because she used to spread hoax information. We have that list, not that mental list. We have that. And then, so so this is why we need to choose reliable reference. So far, can you understand until this part?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now next, let's talk about the onion. Not the union, it's the onion. Okay, I'm going to check this. Do you know what is the onion? Anybody
Yes,
know?
Miss.
What is it?
Yeah. It's a meme.
No, it's not the meme, honey. Actually, the onion is not meme, but yes, the onion is the source of a meme. But let me. So this is the onion. See, can you see? So it's look at this. GOP senator argue is want to be forced. Pundit warn removing Marjorie. Tell me I want to go see those mountains where it look like Avatar. Blah blah blah. So if you see, can you see my screen now? It's showing the onion. Let me just close some of my. So it's good. Can you see my screen that it is showing some of the onions news? Can you see this?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good. So, okay, let me just close this. Of course, they're going to. Okay, see. So this is like legitimate, even news. What is it? News. Was that news website? And believe me, many people actually take something from the onion. Wait. Even if I go to where is home, I'm going to about. This is like a regular news website, news portal. I'm going to go about. Usually how to check something is you check the about in the corner. Then it's world leading news publication. Oh my God, the advertisement, a claim on university, refer cover of breaking national, international, local news, even blah, 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 whatever it is. Now I'm going to I'm sorry that I'm going to use Wikipedia because this is the closest one now.
Is that the onion? That
Yeah, it's onion, not union. The onion.
that
This one.
with channel.
What is it? See, okay, I'm using Wikipedia just because I want to summarize. Wikipedia sometimes good, sometimes not, but this one I'm going to use this because it summarizes everything. See, Onion is satirical digital media company newspaper, publishes article on national based on Chicago. So this one, satirical company. That means most of everything they put in the news in the website is a lie. See, Onion article cover current event both real in the tone and format of traditional news. So if you are not, you're going to think what you find in the Onion as true. This is a comedy. The Onion saying American finest news source is actually a comedy. Why? It is actually there. So everybody knows. Well, no. Everybody who knows what is the Onion will not trust the Onion. So when they said, so if you find something surprising and it's from the Onion, you have to double check it because it is already widely believed that the Onion is actually a comedy, a parody. So that's why it become meme. So when you get some newspaper circulated news, then after that circulated news and it is, you ask what is the source, the Onion. Oh my God. Well, you can laugh. It could be a comedy. Can it be real? It can be real, but again, but not to trust. It's just or as a source of information. Can you understand that so far? See, this look like exactly like news one. Now this is from Wikipedia. I'm going to find something that is not from Wikipedia. This one. The Onion, this is from CBS News. The Onion, fake news site to watch out. This is the Onion. See, the Onion considered as the most popular satire news on the internet. See, but international, and I'm going to just go open it. Don't fool by this fake news. So this look like very legitimate. See, The Onion considered as the most popular satire news on the web, but international national audience have been fooled into thinking some of their story are real. Ironic Trackline is American finance news source. Now the question is, if so, this is like this one. If you can you imagine this? If somebody spread fake news, they can go to jail. Correct? It's not the first one, right? And the Undang-Undang ITE, you know that? Do you know that? Do you know Undang-Undang ITE?
Yes.
Yeah.
We know, Miss.
If somebody spread false news or hoax, and the hoax is actually hurting somebody, you can go to jail. Be very careful. However, this newspaper the creator do not go to jail. I don't know why, but I guess because they already claim whatever I said here is wrong. So the one who should be blamed is someone who believed me. Can you imagine that?
What do you think about that, Miss?
What do you mean? What do I think about that?
Do you think The Onion is wrong by creating this satirical news outlet, or is there something else?
What I'm going to blame, oh honey, the world does not come with white and black. Was that white and black only? So we have that. They got. It's like, hey, I'm creating something fun. Or it's up to them to create. The one that should be warned about is the reader. Please, in this era, you cannot just believe everything they put on the internet. Is the Onion should be blamed for that? Well, yeah, they also take guilty in this occasion, but believe me, even Metro TV also distributes something that is not correct. Even TV One also did the same thing. Every media has a record that one time in their professional airtime, they actually say something that is not true. It is up to us as the reader to actually be very clever and decide, okay, should you believe what you just watched in Metro TV only? No. If Metro TV, TV One, MNC, Indosiar say the same thing, yeah, could be true. But if it is only one news channel, no, that's not what I'm going to suggest you. No, don't do that. In this era, in this digital era, you cannot just trust one source. Okay, now that's The Onion. Before I continue, do you understand what I mean until now?
Yes, yes.
Okay, now I'm going to continue again. The game, I'm going to keep the game. After this, I'm going to divide it into game. This is a factitious game. Oh, let me just explain this a little bit. I'm going to divide you into smaller group of 4. Then we're going to play this game. Oh, fine. The factitious seems to, this happened last time. Factitious. I love this game. Honestly, okay. Okay. Let me just use this one. Factitious. Factitious. I love this game. I'm going to let you play this game for 10 minutes before we continue. This is factitious game. All you need to do is it's up to you. You want to go to medium, you're going to go in group, so it's up to you. Say high score. I'm going to go to, I'm going to try the easy one first because I'm going to play with you. Swipe right if you think the article is real. This is going to help us locate whether it's real or not. Swipe left if the article is fake, or use a check and cross. For example, please help me. Trump distributed marshmallow to wildfire victim. True or not, do you think?
No.
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 Let me check.
No.
Fake. Correct. It's a fake news. Rudy Giuliani says truth is not truth. President Donald Trump attorney said Sunday the truth is not truth. When explaining he won't let special counsel Robert Rush Trump into testifying blah blah blah. Read blah blah blah. Truth is truth. Truth is not. Do you think it's fake or not?
Yeah.
Do you think it's fake or not?
No.
Wait, have you ever played this game?
No.
No,
Oh,
no.
Oh,
This is not fake.
Oh, this
You mean
one
this
is
is true?
Yeah, it's true.
It's true.
It's true.
This article. Oh my God. Source is from CNN. Next, suspected drunken driver run back to burning car to light cigarette. True or
Yes,
not?
it's true.
True.
It's true.
yep. Oh wait, Fox News. Fox News.
Anyway, I'm going to stop here because I'm going to stop here because I'm going to divide you into groups, smaller group of 4. I need you to play that game, Factitious. I'm going to put the link of the game in the chat room. I want you to play the game, and after that, I'm going to give you 10 minutes only. So when it is already 10 minutes, I need you to stop and capture your result and put it in Telegram along with your group, okay? Do you understand that?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay, I put it there in the chat already. Then I'm going to put you into a group of 4, play the game. After 10 minutes, that means 10:50. 10:50, I'm going to close the breakout room session. And then please capture your result, upload in Telegram along with your group, okay? Then this is going to be a bonus score for you, okay? Because we're going to have another assignment by this meeting. I'm going to create how many people? 72. 72 divided by 4. Help me, help. 72 divided by 4.
13. 13.
18.
Okay, 18.
18?
Yes.
4. Wow, perfect. Wait, let me add room in case somebody come. Okay, I'm going to open all room automatically. Join.
Ya, satu lagi ya.
Ya, kok sama Dika sih?
Kok bisa sih tiba-tiba? Aduh. Awan.
Parah nih, di sini ada apa ini? Oke, emang gitu ya Allah. Hai Hafsa. Iya. Hai.
Jadi kita mainnya sendiri-sendiri terus sharing apa gimana sih?
Enggak, mainnya kita berempat. Oh my god. Dika berisik banget.
Iya.
Seberapa
Ini setiap sama kita kalau misalnya lihat isi ntar soalnya sama apa enggak? Yang muncul gitu.
Enggak, kita ngadainnya bareng. Jadi kita satu barengan gitu. Ngerti nggak sih? Ngerti nggak sih?
Ya, berarti satu orang share screen kan? Habis itu yang lainnya
Ya.
ngebantu ya nggak?
Ya betul. Ya, gue share dulu.
Ya udah.
Ini cuma berempat ya?
Iya emang berempat doang.
Mas sama Dika. Recordnya stop atau jangan? Kan
Record ya?
record ini. Iya.
Ya biar.
To get high score, don't tell me you try the easy level. No, right? You don't find the easy level, right? No.
Yes, I
hope you
did.
try the hardest part.
We did.
We did the easy one.
Okay. Don't forget to
Yes.
screenshot and upload the result to the Telegram. Okay. I'm going to give you extra score for those who finish the game today. Okay. Can I continue?
Okay, Miss.
Yes,
Okay,
of course, Miss.
I'm going to continue. Let me share screen. Now, this is the game that we just did, Factitious. To screenshot your score and put it in the Telegram. So I can give you extra score. Then this is the game that we just played. So you know that some news are created, but they are actually not a correct news, not a true news, right? And then did you find the key that you can actually win the game easily if you click the source of the news?
Yes.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah. See, it's the trick that to win the game easily, you just need to scroll down and click the source of the news. By the source, you can actually guess whether the news is actually hoax or not, right?
Yes, Miss.
Now, I talk a little bit about Wikipedia, but we're going to go back here. Now we're going to talk about Wikipedia. Do you know Wikipedia?
Yes, of course, Miss.
Who
Do
doesn't?
you
Of
know
course.
that you are not allowed to use Wikipedia? No,
It
what
is
I mean
unreliable.
is, yes, this one. You can read Wikipedia. Please do read Wikipedia. I also read Wikipedia because it sum up most of the time. It's actually giving me a summary of everything I need to know. Rather than I'm reading a lot of material, Wikipedia is a good source to sum up everything. But you cannot use Wikipedia for academic writing. Academic writing means any writing you create within school setting. So like your school assignment, your school paper, academic, you cannot use that. Why? Because first, who wrote it? Not clear. The change, it's good, but hard to track. Why? It's hard. Why the change meaning everybody can change the content. I'm going to show you after this. It is good to keep changing. So meaning if there is new information, you correct the false information into the false information in the past, you still need to put some record who did the correction, when it is corrected, why this need to be corrected. So those kind of things need to be put on track because academician, meaning scholars, or people like you need that data. So anybody can be pinpoint as responsible for the information. How to use it? Now we're going to talk about this. The source is a good start. We're going to talk about this. Now we're going to open this. This is a Wikipedia entry. Have you ever opened a Wikipedia entry about Insan Cendekia?
Yeah.
Yes.
No? See, Wikipedia has Insan Cendekia. And take a look at this. They have 20. Oh, now it's 23 Insan Cendekia. Oh no. This is my this is the original source. I joined Wikipedia as an editor, so that's why I can see perubahan tertunda. This is Wikipedia. The one if you don't have an account, can you see this above? Wait, let me put an annotation. Let me put what is that? No text. What is my? Okay, wait. Okay, this one. If you, sorry, not this one. Wait. Let me put this one. See, if you here on the box, if you create an account, then you can actually enter Wikipedia and start contributing. What kind of contribution you make? You can actually ask to change something. So here Insan Cendekia, and if you see, there are actually only 20 Insan Cendekia. See, it's not up to date, right? Now we have Lampung Timur, but it is not here. Imagine, they also have in Sancedek and Karawang, Pasuruan. We don't have that. Wait, Pasuruan, yes. We don't have in Sancedek and Karawang. No, but then I did somehow change, asked to change. This is the see, perubahan tertunda, meaning still not, this is still, see, Gorontalo only, not everything. So meaning I can actually ask to change the content. And then Sunting, suppose I want to, see, if suppose I want to change, perubahan akan ditampilkan bla bla bla. I can actually edit. See, Wikipedia. That's why you cannot use Wikipedia. Imagine if somebody who does not like Insan Cendekia and start edit everything, just delete. That's why you cannot use Wikipedia. However, as I told you before, buang suntingan. However, you can, as I told you before, where's my, let me go back. See how to use it. The source is a good start. This one, let me go. The source, what do I mean by that? This is the thing. Go down, 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 and referency. Now you can use these sources. See, SNPDB from TOEFL, you can use these sources, and it is actually good. You cannot quote from Wikipedia, but you can. Yes, it is okay. Select, not all. Select, of course. Read the sources here, and then after that think, I think this one is a good source now. Yes, you can do that. So this is from Kemenak. So you can do that. You can trust this. You can use this, but not the content of this. So if you want to use the information here, do not quote from Wikipedia. Quote from the source. So read the source. Oh my God, error. Now you know, see the link that they give. For example, this one. Error, see? Now you can check. That's why some of the information you cannot trust that. Okay, that's Wikipedia. Do you understand it so far?
Yes.
Yes, Miss.
Use Wikipedia, okay? So now next, then how to spot reliable references? First, check the URL. Do you know what is URL?
The link.
Uniform Resource Locator.
Thank you very much. Uniform Resource Locator. So this is, okay, the link. Check the link. If be careful with .com, .net, blogspot.com. So if you read something, it ends with .com, it ends with .net, it ends with Blogspot or WordPress, whatever it is. This means it is what is it? A blog. Please be very careful. .com mean commercial. That means they put their news, whatever they put it on the internet, they want to get money. The more you click, the richer they get. Please be careful. If you really want to make an article based on for your academic writing, stick fast, meaning stick strongly to .edu, .go.id. This means government, .sch. Like our school website is ic.sch.id. That means school in Indonesia. .ac.id. Why? Let me tell you why. It is actually, wait, let me use, where is the annotated? To write down this, it is free. To be able to create a website ending with .com, ending with .net, .blogspot, WordPress, it is free. No charge, no money. However, to create a website ending with .edu, .go.id, .sch, .ac.id, .gov, whatever it is, you have to have a document ready. To create a website ending with .sch, like our website, our school website, we need to get a paper. saying from the government, yes, we are actual school. This is our location. We are here. To make sure that somebody can create a website ending with .go.id, there must be, government from Kementerian something, from ministry something, then they can make that. To be able to create something with .edu, they have to actually register. Make sure, yes, that edu, oh, this is a college, this is university. Yes, this is our college, or there are paperwork. It is not free. And there are a lot of paperwork behind it. AC Academic Indonesia, so it is a university. If it is university in Indonesia, oh, my internet seems to be unstable. Please let me know if I suddenly freeze, okay? But Miss, I found website domain is .net is, oh, honey, you have .net and paid. Actually, .net can be unpaid. That means you are unlucky if you get .net. Oh, honey, no. The domain is paid, meaning the memory, is the memory, what do you call it? The storage is paid, but the website is free. You are actually paying for the storage, not the website. The website is actually free. Nah, the hosting, that's the word. Yes. So, but if you pay for the website and the hosting, then you actually trick. You get the expensive one. It's supposed to be free. You should find the one free. The hosting is actually not free, but the website itself, to get the name like ifun.net, to rename that, to create a name ifun.net is free. But to be able to create ic.sch.id, you need to register. Well, sometimes it is free. Like when we make ic.sch.id, it's actually free. Well, the first one is free. The hosting is not. But to be able to get the name, we need to submit paperwork. There is a paperwork, a registration with proof ID that yes, the one that submit this name is actual school, not just individual claim to be a school. So it's actually taken more, they need more effort. First, spot the URL. Then after that, okay. After that, okay. People behind the news. We're going to make sure we need to see people behind the news. Who wrote it? Who would be responsible to it? We need to be careful who actually wrote the news and who will be responsible to it. Meaning, if the news proven to be wrong, then somebody will be, I'm not going to say blame, just responsible. Somebody should be responsible to it. Especially imagine if somebody spread false news. And then after that, people believe. And suddenly it created a civil war. Can you imagine that? The chaos that can happen from one.
Miss, you're freezing. Hello, Miss.
Start questioning. What? Nobody claim correct this news? Yeah, this could be wrong. Could be, not always wrong. Okay, confirm the fact. Now, this is something you need to learn as well. This
Miss Yuna?
news happen around here now these days. Oh, I know. Did you watch the news? Do you watch news?
No.
No.
I think I do.
News.
Too bad. You need to start watching news.
I do.
You do? Okay. Okay, wait. Do you know the news that kudeta di tubuh? What's that?
Demokrat.
Yes,
Kudeta di tubuh Demokrat.
yeah, I know. See,
Muldoko.
let's just discuss this for a while. Just like 2 minutes. Kudeta di tubuh Demokrat. Oh my God. The first time I read this, I was like, kudeta. Oh my God, there will be a kudeta in Indonesia. No. We need to read more. Kudeta di tubuh Demokrat. Oh, not Indonesia. Just a party. Then after that, really? Then I switch my TV, change different channel. They talk about the same thing. Very actually common, because the owner of TV in Indonesia is actually not many people. Go to the internet, read the newspaper, and then after that, read more than one. Please read more than one news. This era, you cannot just read one news and after say, that is the mistake, or yes, he's blamed, or just saying Jokowi is bad because just reading one spread news. No, don't. I'm not saying that I'm behind Jokowi, but I'm not saying that I'm against. I'm just saying that before we actually blame somebody else's, please read. Do not, even if I said so, even if one day I said, this government these days is so bad, we need to change everything. Even if I said that, you need to ask me, why, miss? Why did you say that? Because I read it in spreaded news, circulated news. Who circulated that? It's my Ustad. Where did the Ustad get that information? Honey, believe me, you need to start asking questions. Even Ustad can also spread, I'm not going to say fake news, I'm going to say questionable news. Everybody can fall into this trap. Even if say some very good scientists say, oh, this is, I got this news, you have to believe me, I'm a scientist. Again, confirm fact, read other news again to confirm the fact. Is it correct? One day, I met this professor. It is a historian professor, very old one. It's very historian. He's teaching in one of the university in America, and he's a very old one. Well, when I met him, he was like 70 years old. He is teaching the history of Islam. Can you imagine that? I joined his class. He's Jews, and he's teaching. I joined his class. Just I want to listen to his information about Islam, his side of information. I was surprised. What I'm surprised about at that time in their class. Do you know the 9/11 September 11 bombing?
Okay, I know where we're
It's
going
so
now.
long time ago, but it
We
was-
all know where
Yes,
this is
yes.
going.
Yeah. Oh, okay. In Indonesia, what I believe, it is the Jews did the bombing. The Jews mean Yahudi. Oh, that's what we believe in Indonesia. Then I went to United States. I talked to the professor, and he actually discussed that in his class. Everybody in the class believed Osama bin Laden did the bombing. I was like, no way. Why not? Osama bin Laden was a good Muslim. I was like starting to realizing and starting to analyzing, where did I read that news? No, I did not actually read something somewhere. It's actually somebody told me that Osama bin Laden is a good Muslim. I was like, wow, just by somebody asking me, why you believe Osama bin Laden did not bomb the Twin Tower? I was like, oh my God, yeah, where did I get that information? Then I just realized, oh yeah, I just heard about it, never actually read about it. And then you know what they saw me? They saw me the confession video from Osama bin Laden. Osama bin Laden is actually broadcasting himself in American TV, claiming to be the one who bombed the Twin Tower. Then I just cannot say anything because that's like a hard fact. And then I learned from the professor. I asked him, this is very simple. Professor, when you read newspaper, how many newspaper you read to confirm the fact? And he said something casually, 10, 15. I was like, wow, that old man confirmed his fact 10 to 15 times before he actually said, yeah, I think I believe this one. How many times did you confirm? How many times did I confirm? I confirmed like maybe only 2 or 3 times. So that one. One last thing, your personal view. Oh, you know, Adi, what do you think? Do you think someone else say it will react the same way? This is important one. Do you think, imagine, I said something, for example, let's say something. Okay, Aisyah is here. Suppose I say to Davin, you know, I and Ahmad Fauzan is having a relationship. Hello, are you still there?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Come on. Suppose I said something like that. Guys, I think Aisyah and Ahmad Fauzan is having a relationship. Do you think you believe me? Do you think you believe me? Oh my God, I mean, that's true. I'm just guessing. But do you think you will believe me? Oh my God. I'm just guessing. Is that true? Excuse me, what? Oh, see.
I don't know. I don't know.
Oh my God, new tea for the new tea for the week.
No.
What did I say? What?
To ask me, Miss, where did you get the information from?
Oh, yes, spill the tea. Spill the tea.
See, I told you. Oh my God, you're so hungry for gossip.
Miss Yuna, I present to you the Indonesian people.
This is example that actually. I'm sorry, Aisyah. I'm so sorry. I'm just reading your name above. I'm so sorry. No, Akila, don't be shocked. I'm just mentioning. I'm just giving an example.
Well, that's what happened when you give example like that. I mean, I remember Pawai using one of us as a gay example.
I know, I should learn from my mistake. I did the same thing a couple years ago. Okay. Anyway, the point is, please check, even if I said it. So check it. Miss, what did you know about it? How did you get it? Be careful in a good way. Yeah, you need to do that. Oh my God, it's 10:15. Let me just go back here again. So imagine if Pradipta said that thing. Will you believe that? So say, or imagine if Aisyah herself said that thing. Will you believe that? So that's your personal view. Besides getting the URL, the people behind the news, the confirmed fact, you need also to think, if somebody else saying the same thing, will you believe that? If you think you will believe that, very probably it's true. But if not, check again, go back again, check the URL, people behind the news, confirm fact again. Okay? I'm sorry, Aisyah, I'm so sorry. Next. Again, now let's go back. Now this one. Let's check this one. tdweb.com, pengertian ekonomi serta prinsipnya. Do you think you're going to believe this website? I'm going to
Sorry, Miss, share your screen.
What is it?
You haven't shared.
Oh, I haven't shared the screen. Astaghfirullahaladzim. Thank you. I'm going to go back to this one. So again, this one, do you think you believe that or not? Then this one. Now let's spot. I'm going to go to this one now, tdweb. Now this is tdweb. Pengertian, mempelajari penerapan ilmu ekonomi serta cakupannya. Posted by TD. There is a name, posted by TD. Kegiatan ekonomi adalah ilmu sosial. Do you think you're going to believe this? Definisi kata istilah ekonomi. Oikos artinya keluarga. Nomos, it is correct. Kamus Besar Bahasa Indonesia, it's correct. Everything seems so good, right? Well, you can always use this kind of thing. However, let's go check about home. This is already blocked. Di web home. Let's check home. Is it already home? Okay. When we check home, see, this is not a website to talk about economy. This is jasa pembuatan website. You cannot trust this. You can read this, please do read, but you cannot use this link for your resource, for your paper. Do not use this. Let's go back to the next one. Insanpelajar.com. There is .com, but Insan Pelajar, this supposed to be for, what's that? Kursus, yeah, if not bimbel. Do you think I can trust this? What do you think? There is Lipsy, Akram Khan, Adam Smith, Manulang, Center. Do you think I can trust this? Guys, what do you think?
Maybe.
Maybe. This is how to check. Cek tentang kami. Profil kontributor. Tentang kami or about. Iqbal Hakim. Seorang alumni OSN. Oh, not on Iqbal. Because it is created by one person only. There is no editor, no second opinion. Do not use this. You can read it. Yes, it's okay, read it. But please do not use this for your paper. This is not a trusted website.
Miss Yuna.
Next again. Yes,
Miss,
please.
What's the meaning
Yes.
of second? What's the meaning of second opinion? I'm not really get it.
Second opinion meaning you have somebody else's to confirm or deny the same opinion. Meaning, if I have an opinion, then after that, for a second opinion, meaning you ask somebody else's the same question. Okay? That's a second opinion. In the medical record, this is the same thing. Suppose, for example, a second opinion is very famous in a medical term. For example, I come to this doctor and the doctor said, no, not I, because doctor will be. So say somebody comes to a doctor and doctor said, you got cancer. And somebody will be very sad, but before he can actually believe he got cancer, he come to the second doctor. And the second doctor said, oh, actually it's not cancer, it's actually just something. Okay, then because before he actually believe that, he asked again to a second opinion, the third opinion would be to different people, doctor again. Oh yeah, it's actually not a cancer, blah, blah. That is a second opinion. So ask different people about the same question. Okay? Can I continue?
Yes.
Yes, Miss.
Next one. This one. Kompas. Oh, Kompas is very trusted, right?
Yes, Miss. Thank you.
Ekonomi mikro, pengertian ruang lingkup dan teorinya. Do you think you will believe this? Well, it is Kompas. And then there is there any penulis? Penulis, yeah. There is penulis. It is Kompas. Kompas is very mainstream.
Credible,
but
Trustworthy.
Can Kompas talk about ekonomi mikro dan teorinya? That's something. Kompas is very credible if they talk about news, but not about theory. So this kind of source, again, you can read it, but you cannot put it in academic writing. It will not be trusted. Because Kompas is not the place for you to get this kind of information. Now I'm going to go to this one, aprinwomenac.id. This is actually a book. Do you know Google Books?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So for those who hasn't know yet, Google Books. Now this is Google Books. It's book Google. It's actually where you can download a lot of book for free. Some of them paid, but most of them free. So I just put it Google Buku. You can do that. Now how about this one? About Google Book? This one, Pengantar Ekonomi. Can you trust this? Pengertian ekonomi ya?
Yes.
Yes, this is book. Book is more trusted than website because book is hard to change. So that's why it is more trusted. It is. Yeah, you can use this in academic writing. The last one, stiemasim.ac.id. She is from university, but this is from Sekolah Tinggi Ilmu Ekonomi. Can you trust this?
Yes.
Yeah. See, even if this is menurut Wikipedia, menurut para ahli, of course don't quote this one, but yes, you can trust, you can use this in your writing. That's it. It is a blog, but not read, but not quote. You can see the web. It is a blog. You can read, but not quote. Insan Pelajar also a blog. You can read, but not quote. This one, Kompas, not a reliable source. Again, you can read, but not quote. A good one, this one is Aprin. This is from the good, from book. You can read and you can quote. And the last one is from a website. The good one you can read and you can quote. I know what is the meaning of quote. I'm going to give you that thing. Get that question. I'm going to tell you about this after this. But before I continue, do you understand what I'm talking about? Should I repeat again? Any question?
I want to ask something.
Oh my God, a lot of chat. You want to ask me a question, but you forget?
Miss, I want to ask something.
Oh yeah, please do.
Why did Kompas.com are not reliable source?
Oh, Kompas.com. Honey, untuk masa depan chicken dan first economy 5 hour. What is it? Okay, chicken dan many offer bank capital insurance and super confused right? Yeah. Honey, science. What confusing? This is not science thing. This is actually also both science and social. Honey, why Kompas.com is not a reliable source in this context? This is the same thing like I'm an English teacher. I talk to you about astrophysicists like Sheldon. Oh, did you do you watch what's Sheldon?
Young Sheldon.
Big Bang Theory.
Oh, Big Bang Theory.
Big Bang Theory.
So like
Okay.
I'm an English teacher, and suddenly I ask you to discuss about astrophysics. No, you will not trust me to say that because that's not my expertise. The same thing with Kompas.com. If we talk about everyday news, yeah, you can believe Kompas.com. But when he talk about theory, economy, that's not his expertise. Do you understand that?
Yes, miss. Thank you.
So you have to, yeah. Again, I return back to the one before. Reputation is everything. So choose from now on. How do you want to be remembered? That's your reputation. I'm going to continue again a little bit more. Oh my God, 11:26. Reference list. Now we're going to talk about reference. What is a reference list? Oh, do you remember the Wikipedia down under? We have bibliography. Now we're talking about references. A little bit the same one. This is the list of every literature, like the website of Wikipedia, but it's Cendekia before. The one that we use in the text, the one that we quote in the text, but not the one we inspire with. So this is what we call as bibliography. Bibliography is a wider range of list of literature. Literature means sources, honey. Literature means sources, books, sources that we use, we quote, and inspire with. That's bibliography. If it is, but we are not talking about bibliography. What is bibliography bahasa? It's all bibliography, right? in Bahasa.
I think we absorb the word, so we just say
Okay.
bibliography.
How about reference?
Referensi.
Daftar pustaka.
Ah ya, daftar pustaka.
Yeah. Daftar pustaka is only the one that we use, we quote in our writing. What is the style that we're going to use in English? There are a lot of style of reference. Actually, there are some MLA, SLA, Harvard, APA. We're using the APA 6, American Psychological Association. I know some of you still confused. What is it about? I'm going to tell you about it later. Then let's practice. This is the last one. See, the last one. I'm going to show you. Keep saying you. So this is, I'm going to go back to what do I talk about is actually this one. See, referencing. This is what I'm talking about. So reference. Can you see that there is number here? Number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, 6. Can you see the number?
Yes, I can
Yes.
see
Yeah.
that.
So this is actually this one. Can you see number 3? When you click number 3, this is actually Twitter. Number 2 is Twitter. Number 3 is admin Instagram profile. Profile Twitter. See? What is Soha? So of Sumatra. What if they put the wrong link? This is so fun. So this is actually the link. So this is we need to make something like this. So when we develop a writing like this, we need to develop something like this. Now I'm going to show you a good source. Now let's just talk about this one. Compass.com. So first thing, we're going to do automatically. Have you ever done this before? I believe if you join the class with Pak Bayu, you learn about that. But I'm going to show you
Yes,
how. Yeah. So you click
Keren.
references. We choose
Insert
apa. Yeah, we choose apa 6th edition, and we're going to insert citation. I need you to learn about this later by yourself. Add new source. I'm going to go here, Compass. This is a website, so you can choose book section or journal or article. Now we're going to use the website because it is website. The author, you need to find the author. The author of this is this one, Serafika Gisha, right? Just copy, paste. And the name of the web page first. The name of the web page, the name of the web page is this one. The web page, this one. Ekonomi Mikro Pengertian Luar Lingkup dan Teori. That's the name of the web page. The name of the website. The name of the website is here. This is from compass.com. See, I take only some part of it. And what year? Let me check. This is 2020, 22. Wow, this is so quite last year actually. 2020 month is 1 or January. And then that is 22. The URL is the complete page. This is the whole thing. Then this one. And okay, click OK. Now see. So when you write something, suppose you quote, for example, this is just a quote. If you quote, this is by Gisa, then it's going to be like this. Bagaimana rumah tangga perusahaan buat keputusan dalam bahasa tertentu? Then this is from Gisha. But because it's a direct quote, I need to do this. Sorry. That's how to use that. Bagaimana rumah tangga? Or we can also say something like this. I have only 15 minutes. Yeah. Wait. Sorry. Okay. Kisha, it's sorry. 2020. There you go. This one, you can also do something like this. But please do not, this is direct quote, I copy paste. Now copy paste, I use something like this. That's one, that's in but the ending, something like this. This is going to be a reference, right? Not biography, we're using reference, click, automatically there. So it's there. So when we add something, it's automatically. Now, this is the one that you're going to make. See, all you need is the web page, this is the title, and the website, and then the URL, and also the date. You get it? This is something you can easily YouTube, meaning you find it in YouTube or Google, how to make references in Google, in Word. Any question?
No, miss.
I'm going to see you sometime in the future again, but I'm not sure when. I guess 2 weeks from now, we're going to discuss deeply about this, how to actually do referencing and then add something. But so far from now, if you can you still see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. If you see the Google Classroom, I have writing reference list. I need you to do this. This is my presentation today. Writing reference. There is a little question. I need you to do this. Open it. When you finish your assignment, when you have finished, don't forget to click submit. Oh my God, nobody can see it. Oh yeah, I said I'm going to open it once I have a class with you. Correction. Now, I'm going to open it now. It's already open now. Now see, I need you to collect this. What do you think about this source? Do you think it is trustworthy or untrustworthy? Explain why. What do you think about this source? Trustworthy and untrustworthy? I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, only 4. Ooh, easy. After that, develop a reference list out of these 4 websites. See, put link to Google Doc, answer discuss. Please make sure you share editable so I can give comment. That's easy, right?
We'll see about that later, I think.
What is it?
We'll see about that later.
We'll see about that later. Yeah, right. But it is only 4 material, so it's not supposed to be a hard one to do. Let me just click again to make sure it's working. And that's it. That is everything for today. Any question? So you have learned about why we need to choose the reliable references, because we need to avoid hoax, including about Aisyah before, after that, it's actually a hoax, okay? Please don't believe that. And after that, we also, we also have learned about that. We also learn how to separate that. Don't forget to upload your factitious game result. And then after that, you have 1 mini quiz only for literature and for sources, and tell me whether you believe it or not. I want to see your judgment. After that, when you see me, I will give comment to all the result you have. How long can you do this? When you see me later, you have to finish, because I will score you as soon as possible. Okay?
Please.
Any question?
Yes, I want to ask something.
Yes, please.
For the Google Docs one, I don't really get it. Can you?
About the what?
The Google Docs one in the
Oh,
form.
okay. Thank you. Let me just open it again. Okay, now this one. So this is the quiz. Of course, you can read this again. As I told you, classwork, writing a reference list. This is writing a reference list quiz. So just open it. When you open it, it's going to send you here. See this one. What you need to do, answer the question and upload a Google Doc link from a reference list. Don't forget to click sharing as link as editor. So put your email, name, class. This one is this one. Then this one, what should you do? Open a Google Doc. Let me just go Drive. So open your Drive and then create. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm so sorry. Create Google Doc. Okay, now in this Google Doc, you're going to, this is a reference list. Wait, let me, the internet is, okay. So I create the reference list of this 1, 2, 3, 4 sources. See, develop a reference list from 4 sources above. So I'm going to, if I open this, and then after that, I create a reference list. A reference list is something like this. See, a reference. For so that's there. Wow. Yeah, skip. Okay. I'm going to make sure it is anyone with the link can then copy link, then in here, I answer that's the link. So put the here. Can you understand that?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
So the link, so the inside of this is actually just a link. So the link of your reference list. This is the list of what to be referenced is actually this 1, 2, 3. You agree that it is trusted or not. Then after that, if you don't agree or you agree, tell me why. Then after that, put all the reference list in the paper like this. Okay.
When is the due date, Miss?
Okay. The due date. I'm going to see you within like 2 or 3 weeks after this. Then when I see you, I'm going to show you the score. Make sure you do that before before I come to your class again. I'm going to put a list of people who has not finished it. You know me. I have that list. Then
Oh, we
after that,
need
yeah.
one
Then
for the next week and for several weeks.
no. Next week we're going to meet with Miss Eva. Oh, there is Miss Eva. Miss Eva, hi. Miss Eva. There is Miss Eva. Miss Eva going to tell you.
Yep.
Oh, hi, Miss Eva.
Yeah.
Miss Eva, they asked me when will I see them again?
Because they have to know how to write, to do the good writing. Because I know Miss Yuna is very expert in this one. So you have to learn much from her, how to write a scientific writing. That's what I told you before. One day you need to do that. And even though finally you will create a biography text, yeah, but Miss Yuna have taught you how to find the sources and the good source, the credible source, and others. Yeah, I learned much from Miss Yuna today. Yeah.
Weeks.
Yeah, Miss Yuna, have you shown them what they are going to do with the biography template?
Oh, not yet.
Not yet.
You're going to share with them. I will share with them now.
Yeah, I have.
Oh, that's okay. Okay.
But maybe you can do it later. The one that you shared today, it's very, very useful for us. It seems that the internet connection is not good. She must be at school. Hi, Miss Yuna. Wait. Okay, so we okay. Yeah. Okay, please continue, Miss. Please continue.
See them again in 2 weeks or in 3 weeks?
Let's see that they will do the task that you give it to them today or for 1 week. Is it for 1 week, Miss?
Yeah, I mean, when will I see them again? In 2 weeks or in 3 weeks?
I think in 3 weeks.
In 3 weeks. Okay.
Yeah,
Wait, I'm going to
because
share
we
one.
are going to discuss after they finish the writing about biography. We'll discuss a little bit about grammar, that correlative pair, correlative conjunction, and then after that they are going to have an exam only for one topic, and then after that we will meet you again. We continue with the next one. Yeah.
Writing report ya Bu Eva.
Yeah, it's about report text.
Okay. Just 3 minutes. I'm going to share you this one with this one. So Miss Eva going to explain about this later. This is template to write biography. Last semester, you have written something about descriptive text using the same template. So see, so this is easy. Well, Eva, you just need to explain this later in your class, okay?
I haven't discussed with them yet, but actually in one of their life worksheets for the writing and reading, the last worksheet consists of some clue how they what they have to include in biography text. Yeah, this is what you have prepared. So at least this one is the minimum part that you have to include in that text, but you can add some more. So you can see on our live worksheet, the last page. And I would like you to use the past perfect tense in that text, at least 3 past perfect tense. So I can see how well you incorporate the grammar that we have learned before, because it really close related to the biography, because we talk about someone's past life. Yeah. So we talk about the activity in the past, and one already finished before the second. So I've wrote another one. So that's why it's really appropriate to put past perfect in this text, but not in report text that we are going to learn 3 weeks later. But the past perfect is here in biography. Yeah.
Okay. So Bu Eva going to tell you about this later on, more about this. And basically that's, wrong, yeah. Basically that's with me. Do you have any question? No? I have 1 minute. No? Okay, good. So I'm going to see you in 3 weeks. In 3 weeks, we're going to learn more about report text. In the report text, you're going to use more about references and writing report text. What is a report text? For your information, Wikipedia is a collection of report text. So we are going to create a Wikipedia entry. That's actually going to be my project. So my suggestion from now on, try to open Wikipedia, try to create an account in Wikipedia. Let's see if we can actually work on that, okay? I guess that's all for today. Thank you very much. Can I close it now, Bu Eva? Do you want something, and do you want to add something else?
You can close it.
Okay.
Thank you
very much, guys. It's already 11:45. I'll see you in 3 weeks. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Miss Neva.
Thank you, Miss
Thank you,
Neva.
Miss.
Thank you,
Terima kasih Bu Yuna. Terima kasih Bu Neva.
Okay, I'm going to add. Thank you, Harsina, for the love. Thank you, Novira. Thank you, everybody else. Thank you. I'm going to end meeting for all.